to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a question on the board and we are asked to find the value of x plus y in bracket square. So let us begin. If you look at the question very well, you see that we are having two equations here, equation 1 and equation 2. So let's look at it as simultaneous equation. So let's say y plus 2x equal to 4. Let's see this as our equation 1. Y minus 3x equal to minus 1. Let's see this as our equation 2. So using elimination method, let us eliminate y. How are we going to do it? Let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So if we do that, it simply means that y will cancel y, because y minus 1 will become 0, while 2x minus 3x will give us 5x. Which is equal to 4 minus 1 will give us 5. Therefore, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Now that we have known our value for x, what we are going to do is, let us substitute x equal to 1 into equation 1, into equation 1. So if we do that, what we are going to have is y plus 2x. We want to substitute it into equation 1 equal to 4. Let us substitute now, mean that if we in place of x, we are going to use 1. So plus 2 into 1 equal to 4. So we are going to make y the subject formula. Y is equal to 4 minus 2. That is, we are going to subtract 2 from both sides, because 2 times 1 is 2. So y is equal to 2. Now we have known the value for y and we have also known the value for x. And this question says that we should find the value for x plus y square. We know our x to be what? To be 1. And we know our y to be 2 all square, which is equal to 3 square. So x plus y square is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, like and share. Thanks for watching.